Approve. Congratulations po. Approve na po yung visa niyo, ma'am.
Oh my God. Thank you po,
Yes po.
ma'am.
Approve.
Nininervyos
Ngayon,
ako.
okay.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon, ma'am. Kumusta po kayo, ma'am?
Okay lang po. Kinakabahan.
By the way, I am one of the client manager of SDH and we are calling you today, ma'am, kasi ay na-receive po yung advisor ninyo. An important update po about your visa applications. Babasahin ko lang po yung nasa letter, ma'am, ha? Ready na po kayo, ma'am?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, it says here in the letter that your application for a New Zealand visitor's visa, general, has been approved. Congratulations po. Approve na po yung visa niyo.
Oh my God. Thank you po,
Yes po.
ma'am.
Approve.
Nininervyos ako.
Ngayon lang po, ma'am. Approve na po yung
Oh my
visitor's
God.
visa niyo po.
Thank you so much po, ma'am. Thank you po talaga sa lahat ng tulong niyo sa amin para po ma-process yung application ko for visitor visa. Thank you so much po.
You're welcome po, ma'am. Ano po yung pakiramdam niyo ngayon, ma'am? Na-approve na po yung pinapangarap niyo pong visa.
Super happy po talaga. Super happy po at mabilis lang din yung proseso. I mean yung approval, pero yung proseso po is napakahaba. I mean yung mga requirements, yung advisor po namin is napaka-meticulous po when it comes to providing documents. So kailangan lahat ma-provide namin, for the approval. So yun nga, medyo nahirapan kami sa pag-collect ng mga documents, pero sa guide na rin ng aming immigration advisor, we were able to provide all the necessary documents for the application. Yun po.
Yes po, dahil din po sa cooperation ninyo, ma'am, kasi mabilis din po kayong mag-response whenever we need additional documents advised by the advisor. Ano yung pinakamalaking challenge naman po naranasan nyo po yung sa visa process po at paano po kayo natulungan ng SDH para naman malampasan po itong challenge na?
Siguro yung napakalaking challenge for me was yung collection of documents. Kasi some of those documents were not yet available handy eh. So, yung mga process or processing times ng mga ibang documents para makasecure nun, yun yung primary challenge talaga sa akin. Kasi hindi naman pagka-request mo ng documents, makukuha mo kaagad eh. So, yun lang yun, yung processing times ng mga ibang documents sa pagkuha. I think yun siguro yung pinaka-biggest challenge para sa akin.
Ano po yung masasabi niyo po sa advice ni Miss Leona as your advisor during the consultation, ma'am?
Ang masasabi ko kay Miss Leona, she was very, very nice during the consultation session. She set expectation na, I have to provide all the information, accurate information para sa approval. Kumbaga, para maging madali yung proseso at saka para, confident kami na ma-approve yung application namin. So, yun po. She was very nice, very meticulous, and great customer service na rin po.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for that appreciation. Ano po yung masasabi niyo po sa ibang Pinoy na nangangarap din tulad niyo, ma'am, na ma-reunite sa kanilang mga pamilya na nasa NZ po?
Siguro yung masasabi ko is you have to reach out to SDH if you need an advice or if you're not sure of what you have to do. Siguro you have to talk to SDH para mag-guide po kayo ng tama at mabigyan po kayo ng mga advices na rin po para po sa pinapangarap nyo na mag-reunite sa New Zealand.
Okay. Thank you so much for that, ma'am. In behalf of the entire SDH team, maraming salamat po dahil tiwala po kayo sa amin and we are so very happy, ma'am, na na-approve na talaga yung visa niyo, ma'am. And thank you for trusting us and we wish you all the best in New Zealand po. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your task.
Thank you din po. Have a great day.
Have a great day, ma'am. God bless and take care always, ma'am. Bye-bye po.
Thank you, bye-bye.